Hey everyone, Mark here with TSI, and today I wanted to go over real quick the evaporator coil. So I wanted to give you guys just a quick idea of what the evaporator does and how it functions. So the evaporator I like to call a heat absorber because we are absorbing the heat from the air into the refrigerant that is flowing through the evaporator coil and transmitting that outside to the condenser. So what happens is your refrigerant liquid enters the TXV device. It goes into these distribution tubes which feed each individual slab here at the bottom, because it wants to feed the liquid at the bottom and we want nothing but vapor coming out of the top. So as the liquid is flowing through the coils and the air is moving across the fins, the heat in the air is being absorbed into the refrigerant and causing that refrigerant to start to boil. So by the time the refrigerant gets to the top, we have boiled off all the liquid and it is nothing but vapor refrigerant. And we absorbed as much heat as we can. It then comes out of the top part of the coils, which will be nothing but vapor, and this is your suction line that would then go back to your compressor. The sensing bulb is reading the temperature on the suction line, so this knows that to feed a certain amount of refrigerant to keep the refrigerant level proper, so we don't overfeed and we have liquid coming back out of these lines. We want to make sure we have just enough that there's nothing but vapor coming out and that we have enough that we are able to absorb as much heat as possible. So the vapor that comes out of here, once it leaves, will be a superheated vapor because we've absorbed more heat as it's traveling through the coil. So it's called superheating the vapor. So the biggest thing with the evaporator coils is making sure we have good airflow across this. If the airflow is not good, proper, we will not be able to absorb the heat that we need, and we can cause this not to boil off, and we would end up with liquid coming out and liquid getting back to the compressor, which is bad. So that was just a quick brief view of what the evaporator does. Heat absorber, keep that in mind, it's absorbing heat from the house. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you next time. Thanks.